I'm taking you away on a romantic long weekend in the motorhome with just £71.
So that's all I'm worth.
This route is not for the faint-hearted.
Can you go away in your camper on a bank holiday weekend for less than, say, £100 for 3 nights?
Shall we find out?
So that's the challenge. 3 nights away, bank holiday weekend, less than £100, including pitch fees, diesel, and maybe a beer or two and a Bakewell tart. Join us at the end and see whether it can be done.
Keeping our destination at less than 50 miles away means we can avoid the motorway when it looks like this.
Now we might be driving more slowly, nice old caravan, but it's better to be driving out on this road in the Peak District than what it is sat on that motorway.
I do have to say though, this route is not for the faint-hearted. The road is fairly narrow. There are lorries that use it, obviously in both directions. There are some climbs,
Very steep hill.
10% this one, and then this one comes up and goes round a bend as well. Who doesn't need a little chapel in the middle of nowhere? Might want to pray, depending how bad the road gets. As part of our cheap weekend away, we get to see these stunning views across the Peak District.
So what are your options for going away on a bank holiday weekend? The good, the bad and the ugly. Obviously, you've got this is Whitsun week as well, by the way, so
Next week's Whitsun week.
yeah, so this is a Whitsun week weekend. So
Whitsun week weekend.
yeah. So therefore it's going to be even busier, which means how much would you expect to pay for a decent campsite?
£30 upwards, 30 to 40 would be an average for a nice campsite, I would say.
And we've seen some campsites we're looking at advertising what great toilets they've got, even upwards of that these days.
You have CLs and CSs.
Yeah, so being a member of the clubs, you've got the certified location, the certified stops.
So, yep.
They are cheaper, but nowadays, try and find one for less than 20 quid.
Yeah, they're all generally £20 upwards, some with, some without electric.
And it's nice to have your little favourite CL. Ours is sadly closed.
Yeah, because the owners wanted to go off and do a bit more travelling of their own, so kudos to them for that.
Now, I haven't told you how much this weekend's going to cost us. Okay, but I reckon, all in, 3 nights away, arrive when you want, leave when you want, 71 quid.
That's a very specific prediction, almost like you've researched it.
Okay, so I'm taking you away on a romantic long weekend in the motorhome for just £71.
So that's all I'm worth.
When the storm is moving in.
Now, the other thing to bear in mind is that obviously doesn't include food, it doesn't include
Drinks.
drinks to the pub or anything like that, but then again, you would do that at home anyway or not do that at home, so you can't really get those involved, I don't think, can you?
No, I mean, you do probably spend a little bit more when you're away, because if you go out to the local town for a look around, you might buy an ice cream or have a drink in the pub. So there probably is a little bit more spending money involved when you're away for a weekend.
But it doesn't have to be, that's what
No, it doesn't have to
really
be.
Super weekend.
And on cracking weather weekend like this, sat outside the van with a bottle of wine that you brought from home would do us absolutely perfectly.
And we're meeting some friends. We are getting our friends to come and experience this super cheap weekend away.
Yeah.
So let's see how it goes.
Yep.
The next flight onto Church Road.
Well, we've just seen where we're going. Gates opened 2.25 hours ago. And I don't think it's full, but there is an awful lot more vans here than we expected to be just yet.
So let's get in and we'll tell you all about it. So Nikki has left me alone in the camper and we've arrived. So what's here? Basically what we have is somewhere to empty your water, somewhere to put water in and somewhere to empty your toilet. That's it. No showers, nothing. Just a big field, but with loads of stuff to explore whilst you're here. All for just £13 per night. 13 quid. So that's £39. Yeah, that's right. £39 for your whole weekend away.
to carry you home.
We are at Darley Dale on a camping and caravanning club temporary holiday site. It is a massive field. There is water and toilet disposal and bins. That are your only facilities, but it comes at the bargain price of £13 per unit per night in a beautiful part of the country. You have to be a member of the camping and caravanning club, like we are. As a temporary holiday site, this doesn't require any booking. It is a massive field, so space shouldn't be a problem. It's just turn up as many days as you like. This particular holiday site is on for about 2 weeks. There are lots organised by the Camping and Caravanning Club, and also the Caravan and Motorhome Club also have their own things going on, and if you're members, you can go to either of them in any of their district associations. But we like Camping and Caravanning Club because they have these temporary holiday sites and you can just rock up, no pre-booking. Some are pre-bookable, but this one, turn up, pay your £13 a night, bring your Camping and Caravanning Club membership cards with you. I've no idea how much the others charge, but they are probably roughly around about the same price.
And there you have it. £13 a night, that's £39, £42 on diesel, £71 in total, leaving us a grand total of £29 for a few beers and Bakewell tarts. It can be done. You just need to look and find these brilliant holiday sites. And what a place to spend a long weekend.